I never get bored with dry erase. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I got a dry erase board that I want to show you. Now, it's pretty colorful because I think it's actually meant to entertain kids, but I'm going to use it to be productive. Now, I have opened the box here, and what I will show you is that it comes with these foam letters, 3 packages of them, so that you can spell out things and put them on the dry erase board. It's actually magnetic, and you can see the little magnets attached to the back there. And they're very light, and that'll keep people entertained, help you do a little education. I don't really need these, but you do get them. And that can help with learning and all that too. What I wanted was the dry erase board, and actually they have boards like this, but they don't really come in this big of a size. So a lot of them are about half this size, which can be okay, but especially if you're demonstrating something, doing some training, you're writing out some ideas or concepts, you know, more space is better. Bigger is always better. Oh, oh, oh. So this thing looks kind of like any dry erase board, except for the funny colors there. But what you might be able to see is there's a hinge on this side and on this side, and that's because this thing will tent. So right up on the top there, you can see we have 2 piano hinges, and then if I pull this out, I've got to kind of lift up these little levers there to get the little knob into that slot. And then once I do that, I can open this up, and those arms will keep this thing from opening up more than, looks like about 30 degrees. But now I can put this down like this, and I can use it like a tabletop dry erase board. Now, it does come with 3 markers here, and they aren't just dry erase markers. They're really short, but they have little erasers on the end here. So I could do something like this. Peter Von Panda. Right? So you can draw on here. Ooh, the red. It's much more vibrant than the blue. The blue is actually kind of a little bit of a light blue. And then this is black. Woo! Look at that. So I can write on that side. I can write on this side. We have quite a bit of space here. I think it's 16 inches by 24 inches, so basically 2 feet. What's also kind of interesting is if I look inside here, this all looks like dry erase board too, but it doesn't really seem like I can get to it without unscrewing the little knobs off the side here and then open it up like this. But then those piano hinges don't open up all the way, so I guess it's almost a little bit of wasted space. Now, I do want to show you, if you care about this, the little magnetic letters can go on there and stick no problem. Hey, if you want to pick this up so that you can do dry erase work on a tabletop, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.